Hey guys, so we're going to look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm, again, semiconductor industry. We're going to pull up their Yahoo Finance. It looks like PE ratio is at 11. That seems about right for this company. The big concern with this one, um, you know, they're pretty reliant on uh, Apple, and because of that, it just makes me nervous about this one. Um, if we draw in, let's see, this one just overall it seems it might have broken out of their downtrend here. It looks like more recently they're in an uptrend. So maybe if we just draw that in real quick, it looks like here to about there, and we want to draw this out just a little bit just to see how it kind of plays out. And then if we draw in another one up here, close to like that, it doesn't seem like well, it's hitting higher lows, which is a good thing. Um, it looks like they did kind of capitalize on the semiconductor industry news that any inventory type of buildups that the market had, so AMD, Nvidia, all those guys, uh, it looks like they benefited from that, and they didn't shoot off as much. It looks like $6, so nothing crazy. So that's maybe like 5%, 4 to 5% increase in share price. I think again, if we just look at what we had in previously, it's below our buy point of 123. Again, my issue with this one is um, how will they be able to respond to Apple transitioning away from Qualcomm? We'll still need to look into that. I guess overall, uh, they are still below our our buy point. I think it's a fair price to buy. Apple hasn't transitioned away from them completely yet. It's just down the road they're likely to transition away. And so the big question is, does Qualcomm have um, enough uh, market share in other segments, whether it be uh, the electric vehicle market, the cell phone market, AI market, all these, the 5G market, like, do they have enough pull in these other segments, and do they have a large enough customer base to make up the shares that they, or the revenue that they'll likely miss out on from Apple down the road? Uh, I mean, clearly, if Apple left like right now, it's going to be quite a hit to this company. Um, Fortunately, we don't have to make that decision today. It's just it's a question that that they'll need to kind of address in the near future so that we can see, can this company can they sustain without a large customer like Apple? Hopefully they can. I believe they're working with Android or Samsung, I guess, to get involved with that to a degree. So that could be a good pickup. Uh, we'll look into their segment dispersion and see just how large of an impact will Apple take on this company. Uh, that'll probably be in the weeks to come, but just based off the information we see, this one does appear to be in a short-term uptrend right now, and it is below our buy point. So I think it's safe to buy this one now. If we look at our chart here, uh, it looks like the last time they were at 123, I did make a buy at 123. So I'll keep the buy point. I'll update the date. And currently, they're at about 120. So they're actually a little bit lower than our point. I'm not sure what happened here last week. I don't know if they came out with their quarterly reports or what happened here. So something I'll need to look into. But overall, it looks like, just in terms of short term, it seems like now's a good time to buy, and so I probably will add to this one. Um, we can make this one green actually, so we'll update these just a little bit. So, because I was mixing up the colors, so we'll make these green. So those would be the green ones are the ones I'm looking into that I probably will buy in the next week, assuming I have the resources available. And the orange is close. And again, for ASML, now that I'm looking at it, it's considering how much each share is, it's not that big of a deal. I probably uh, there's a good chance I'll probably buy this one too. But we'll see how Monday or Tuesday pans out, and if it keeps going up, well then I'm definitely gonna wait. If it comes closer, like back into the 620s, I'll probably buy that one too. Uh, Probably just a share, just to kind of keep myself in a conservative spot for that one. But again, so this is Qualcomm. Uh, Nothing really changed that much. I know some big fluctuations happen, especially in the past 2 weeks. But overall, as I'm looking at it, it looks like now is a decent time to buy this one, and I probably will add at least 1 or 2 shares of this one to the portfolio and see how it plays out in the months to come. So let me know what your thoughts are. Uh, Share just whatever you think about this one in the near term, the long term, and otherwise, we'll see you on the next one when it comes to Qualcomm. Please like, share, and subscribe to this. Thanks. Bye.